Today's topic is on Malati Chaudhary. Do not be confused. I know Malati Chaudhary is a huge name in Bihar and in Odisha because he was born in Bihar. So do watch the video till end to know more about her, and also you can know the motivation behind her. So friends, let's not waste time getting the video. So Malati Chaudhary was born in the year 1904, July 26th in Bihar. She was admitted to Rabindranath Tagore Vishwa Bharati, and this changed her lifestyle completely. She was also deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, two highly inspiring personalities during that time. After her marriage, Odisha became her area of activities. This is how she came to Odisha. So, the Chaudharies was settled in Anakhya near Jagatsinghpur district, a very small village, and they first joined the India independence through the Salt Satyagraha movement, and for this they were arrested, and they continued to preach their teachings also inside the prison. The teaching of whom? Teaching of Mahatma Gandhi. When they were imprisoned and they were prisonized and they were kept in the jail, they used to tell the Mahatma Gandhi preachings of Indian independence to the fellow prisoners so that they can also take part in the India independence movement and they can help them. In the year 1933, the Chaudharies organized the Utkal Congress. So, the full name was Utkal Congress Samajwadi Karmi Sangh, which afterwards came to be known as All India Congress Socialist Party. So, in the year 1934, she accompanied Pad Yatra in Gandhiji, where she was imprisoned. So, Malati Chaudhary was imprisoned at quite a long time. She was imprisoned in 1921, she was imprisoned in 1936, and she founded the Bajirath Chhatravas in Angul district. In 1946, Utkal Navjivan Sangh in Rajivan Mandal in Angul district. In 1948, she also founded or organized the Krushak Andolan. So why am I saying all this is because this was all the pre-independent areas, and again a woman founding three organizations during the pre-independent era, especially the Bajirath Chhatravas, Utkal Navjivan Mandal, the Krushak Andolan. These are the three that she founded all alone, or she commenced all alone. So a woman founding three separate organizations, kind of three separate organizations in an era where women are not allowed to venture out of this house, commendable, sir. But yes, she had done it. She has done it. So she, after this, she become an integral part of the Constituent Assembly and the president of Uttar Pradesh Congress Committee. And she has won many awards back then from 1987 to 1997. And many awards she had won. Like in 1987, she won the National Award for Child Welfare. In the 1988, she won the Jamnalal Bajaj Award. In the 1994, she won the Utkal Seva Samman Award. In the 1995, she won the Tagore Literacy Award. In the year 1997, she won the Rajya Mahila Commission Award. So she has won a couple of lots of awards from different. What is the thing that we can learn from her? This is a lady of great importance, a great strong determination. Again, I must say, but there is a way, but this lady is accompanied with that a strong thing of bravery and a strong determination. This lady has founded three different organizations and was an integral part of Odisha's independence struggle. Hats off to her for founding three different organizations during that time where women are not allowed. She rose from these three different departments or these three different foundations to becoming a member of the Constitutional Assembly. Friends, if we also determine to change something, we must be the change in this on in ourselves. We have to keep a strong determination. There will be a loss and a hell of people who will be discouraging us. And like I always said in the past, you should be the encouraging person and you should be encouraging you. And this is proven by Malati Chaudhary. Friends, we have come to the end of this episode. If you like this episode, give us a thumbs up and do like and share this video. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be notified for my upcoming videos. If you want me to make video on any such topic, you can note down in the comments below. I will do ensure that your video will be telecasted and will be reverted on which day your video will be published. Till then, this is Devashish signing off. Namaste.